Let's talk about how we can use AI to help understand unfamiliar code. While anyone can learn to understand code written by someone else, using AI language models to achieve this has some significant advantages. AI can quickly scan large code bases and give you a high-level overview of what they do. This can save you a lot of time and effort, especially when dealing with complex code bases. AI can look at the code and tell you about its structure, complexity, and potential defects quickly and efficiently. This can help you understand the code better and make it easier to maintain and improve. For example, AI can identify the main functions and classes in a codebase, and it can show you how they are related. AI can also identify parts of the code that are difficult to understand or maintain, and it can suggest ways to improve the code. For example, AI can potentially explain some of the code features, like what language the code is written in or what a particular function does. It can even help you understand complex syntax like regex. In order to use AI ethically to understand code you didn't write, you should keep three questions in mind as a guide for making ethical decisions. First, who owns the code? If you are not the owner of the code, you should get permission from the owner before summarizing it. Second, what is the purpose of the summary? If you are summarizing the code for educational or research purposes, it is likely ethical to do so. However, if you are summarizing the code for commercial purposes, you may need to get permission from the owner. Third, does the code contain any sensitive or personal information? If the code contains any sensitive or personal information, you should take special care to protect that information. In the next section, we'll take a look at some examples of using AI to understand unfamiliar code.